this is Shauna Turner of the Shauna Method, here with another tiny tip for having a less cluttered looking space. So this one is about how to fold things and display things in your linen closet or your linen cabinet. So here I have a stack of washcloths, and they're folded pretty neatly, but all this stuff just looks a little raggedy, doesn't it? So when you open up your cabinet or your linen closet, even though you may have gone to the effort to fold, it just kind of looks sort of raggedy. So this tiny tip is, when you put linens into storage, always put the fold forward. Simple tip, but it makes a difference in how your space looks. Fold forward for a less cluttered look.